All right, let's look at another example of a boundary value problem. All right, the problem is very similar to the previous one, but the solution is very different. All right, so let's look at this. All right, characteristic equation. So r squared plus 3 is equal to 0. All right, so this is going to give us r is equal to plus or minus square root of 3i. Right? So this will give us the form of the solution. Y is equal to a cosine of square root of 3x and plus b sine of square root of 3x. Right? Then check the first boundary condition. Y of 0 is equal to, alright, so cosine of 0 is again 1, so you get a. And the sine of 0 is 0, so that's that, and this is equal to 0. So a is equal to 0. Alright, then y of pi. Alright, so since a is already equal to 0, I'm going to ignore the first term. So you're just going to get the sine term. Then you're going to plug in pi. So you have a b sine of square root of 3 pi. Alright, and all we have to know is that the square root of 3 pi, a sine of square root of 3 pi is non-zero. Alright. But we know that y of pi has to be equal to 0. Right? This means that by dividing through by sine of square root of 3 pi, we know that the b also has to be equal to 0. Right? So therefore, we only have a trivial solution. So y is equal to 0 is the only solution of this boundary value problem. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.